Don't forget about your own health. Oh, plenty of fruits and veggies. Bottom shelf. If you forgot. Because I think you forgot. Like you forgot about that thing growing in the back of me. I don't even know what that is anymore.
Relax, my human has his priorities straight. Canned one.
Wait, that means no, not him.
Oh yeah, my turn. Time to cut it.
Language, please.
Shut up and get ready for my leftovers. There, now stop.
Don't forget about you. Reach down in my bottom drawers and pull out something nice for yourself.
Please, I'm eating.
You're gross. That's where the produce is.
He doesn't need you. He has delivery.
That's what he ordered? Probably what the moldy thing deep inside me started out as. When you want real food, let me know.